Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adding a new Fitbit to your Fitbit account. This video is going to assume that you already have a Fitbit account and want to add a new device to your existing account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You need the Fitbit app to set up a new device, so open that and make sure you're logged in to your account. Tap your profile image at the top left of the screen. Under the Devices section, tap Add a new device. Choose the device you want to set up from the list. Read the privacy policy and then hit the Accept button to continue. Take note of how to charge your device here and then tap the Next button. Your phone will now search for your Fitbit via Bluetooth. Make sure that your phone's Bluetooth is on and your Fitbit is turned on. A 4-digit code should now display on your Fitbit. Enter that code into the app to confirm your ownership of the device. You'll now be asked to connect to your Wi-Fi network. You can skip this step if needed, but it is better to have your Fitbit connected to Wi-Fi. Choose your network from the list and then enter the password for it. If your device has a microphone, they will warn you about it here and tell you how to turn it off if you want. If your Fitbit supports Amazon Alexa, you can sign in to your Amazon account here to connect to Alexa. You can skip that step if you want. Your watch is ready to try on. Follow the instructions on screen for the correct positioning on your wrist. Be sure to read the wear and care tips here to look after your Fitbit properly. Now all you have to do is hit OK to link your Fitbit to your account. Then when the pop-up appears, tap OK again to confirm. Your Fitbit is now set up and connected to your Fitbit account. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Fitbit tips and tricks.